Hey everyone, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't already, please make sure to join the Alleyways family. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications so you know when I have new content. Oh my goodness, fam, I am so excited about today's video because I got the chance to do an unboxing with Sateur featuring the Destinee Collection. Now, I've heard a lot of really great reviews about Sateur and this collection specifically, so I'm really excited to unbox these, see them, and share what I think about them with you all. So I've got 3 different pieces from the collection. Let's unbox them and look at them one at a time while we talk about the brand and the product. So let's first dive into the brand Sateur. They've really made a name for themselves in this realm of affordable luxury jewelry. And I've noticed that the Destinee Collection specifically has emerged as a fan favorite. It really just encapsulates this timeless elegance, but they've paired it with this extraordinary craftsmanship. And I always, you guys know, love finding brands that make luxury accessible to everybody. So I was really excited to find out who they were and what they do, and now I'm even more excited to have some of their jewelry. So one of the very first things that I use to kind of judge a brand is their packaging, right? I think a lot of us do that. And I have to say I was really impressed by both the shipping time and quality. They did a great job in getting everything to me quickly and securely. And then outside of the packaging that's involved in shipping, the brand packaging. You guys, it's simply incredible. And my favorite part, look, the ring box actually lights up when you open it. So it creates this stunning showcase for the jewelry. This is so perfect, not only for all the time, but think about in gift giving. When you open this up for the first time in a dimly lit romantic setting and there is a spotlight on this gorgeous ring. Now let's take a look at this exquisite piece up close together. Fam, this is the Sateur Destinee ring and it is absolutely breathtaking. This is a 3-carat Sateur moissanite stone. In person, it just has this mesmerizing sparkle, and I love that they set it in platinum plated silver. I think it looks so elegant and timeless, but what is really astounding is how identical it looks to my diamond ring. I mean, the quality is spectacular. I think this ring is gorgeous, it's timeless, it's going to enhance any outfit. It is so special. It's just so perfect. I know some of you may be wondering what moissanite is. Well, it's actually really crazy. It's a gemstone from the stars. It was originally discovered in a crater created by a meteorite that fell to Earth. Is that not insane? The stone itself, characteristically, is really durable. It's more brilliant than a diamond actually, and most importantly, it's ethically and sustainably produced. Sateur moissanite in particular is renowned for its premium quality, so it's a top choice for tons of jewelry connoisseurs. Let's try this on. I do have a sizing guide on their website that I used, but they're also super helpful. They have great customer service. Here's the moment of truth, guys. Okay, fit, perfect. Super comfortable. They nailed my sizing. Wow, this looks amazing. The way that it catches and reflects the light is beautiful. I think that the fit is perfect. The silver looks so nice. The stone I think is a great size. I love the way that it catches and reflects the light and feels extremely comfortable on. Let's try it with my other band and see what we think. Look at that, look how perfect that looks. Which one do y'all like better? Okay, that is absolutely incredible. I'm speechless. Look at it next to the diamonds. I can totally see where moissanite is more brilliant. Look at the way that it moves in the light. That's incredible. But I didn't just get a ring. I got earrings and a necklace, so let's go try this on too. It's a great packaging. We have the spotlight right on these gorgeous earrings. Like, wow. Went ahead and put on the earrings and wow, I absolutely love them. I also have a necklace I'm going to put on in a moment. And just so you guys know, both the earrings and the necklace are from the Destinee Collection. They're the same exceptional quality, they're elegant. They each feature that stunning Sateur moissanite stone that we talked about earlier, so they're not only versatile and comfortable for all day wear, but they're going to just add this extra splash of glamour to any outfit. I love these. I think that everybody should have a great pair of classic post earrings. These are so timeless. Like, they're beautiful, and you can see they draw everything up nice. Look how great they look with the ring. How beautiful is that? I love it. They feel extremely comfortable on. They look great. You could wear them anywhere. I love these. Let's get this necklace on so we have the complete look. Again, every single piece comes individually packaged. I'll never get tired of that. Look at that. This stone is exquisite. Okay, everyone, I have the gorgeous Destinee necklace on. So it comes on a chain that is really the perfect length. It's gorgeous, it's silver. Look at this all together. I feel, this just makes me feel really special. It's so beautiful. And again, like I said, you can wear this anywhere. If somebody can wear this for their wedding, but also, like, there's nothing more formal than that, but it's also just dressing up a strapless top and looking great with this. So there really is no limit to how you can style it. I love each and every piece. Wow, what do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and then let's go kind of sum everything up. What do we think? All the pieces together. I have to say, all in all, for me, the Sateur Destinee Collection, 10 out of 10. It truly impressed me. The quality of the pieces in person, the craftsmanship is so apparent. The fact that it's affordable and that the pieces are such standouts, I'm blown away. The pieces are timeless, they're elegant, they're versatile, they're ethical, and most importantly to me, they let everybody be able to afford luxury and have something beautiful and special. This, for me, 10 out of 10. Fam, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Massive thank you to Sateur. I love the Destinee Collection. You guys don't forget to check out all the links below to explore all the exquisite jewelry that Sateur has to offer. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!